Have you ever wondered what is actually inside a grape? Not just the juice, but the living cells that make it alive. Today, I am going to take this simple green grape and place it under the microscope, and what we will see might surprise you. First, I am taking a fresh green grape. Using a small knife, I am gently scraping the outer skin of the grape. My goal is to make the skin as thin as possible so light can pass through it easily under the microscope. Now I am placing this thin grape skin onto a clean glass slide. Next, I am taking a small portion from the inside of the grape, the soft and the juicy part. This part is different from the skin, and we will compare both these under the microscope. Now I am placing the inside sample also on the glass slide. I am adding a small drop of water to each sample to prevent it from drying and to spread the cells evenly. Finally, I carefully place a cover slip on top of both these samples. This helps flatten the sample and keep it stable for viewing. Now our slides are ready, and let's move to the microscope. Now you are looking at the grape skin under the microscope. You can clearly see rectangular shaped plant cells arranged neatly like bricks in a wall. The thick green outlines you see are the cell walls, which give structure and protection to plant cells. Inside many of the cells, you can see tiny green dots. These are chloroplasts, the part of the cell that help plants make food using sunlight. These are epidermal cells, which form the protective outer layer of the grape. Now, let's look at the inside part of the grape. Here, the cells look softer and less structured compared to the skin. These are called parenchyma cells, and their main job is to store food and water. Inside these cells, you can see granules. These are mainly sugars and storage materials that give grapes their sweetness. You won't see chloroplasts here because the inside part doesn't perform photosynthesis. So today we discovered that even a simple grape is made of thousands of living cells, each with its own structure and purpose. If you enjoy the microscopic journey, imagine what other fruits and everyday objects look like under the microscope. Subscribe and stay curious, because the invisible world is always more fascinating.